The Swipe Right to Reply feature on Viber is a convenient tool that allows you to quickly and directly reply to specific messages in your chats. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to enable it. First, open the Viber app on your device. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots to access the main menu. On the new page that opens, select Settings from the list of options. This will take you to the App Settings menu, where you can customize various features according to your needs. Next, tap on Calls and Messages to open those settings. Here, you will find options that control some apps' functionality. Find the Swipe Right to Reply option and enable it. This will allow you to respond to messages by simply swiping right. Once the feature is enabled, it's time to test it out. Open any chat, whether it's a private conversation or a group chat, and swipe right on a specific message. This action will automatically open the reply interface, making it easier to manage conversations and responses. This feature is particularly useful in group chats where multiple topics may be discussed simultaneously. By replying directly to a specific message, you can ensure your response is clearly linked to the right comment, avoiding any confusion. Finally, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks.